Hi everyone, welcome to our bonus video on how to make these delicious homemade croutons. Now for this, we're going to start off with homemade focaccia bread, which already has a good amount of olive oil in it. If you are not using focaccia bread, you can use another bread, for example, French bread, Italian bread, or sourdough. And after cutting it into cubes, add at least 3 tablespoons of olive oil or extra virgin olive oil onto the bread cubes. Next, we're going to add in our cheese. For this, we're going to use Pecorino Romano. Next, we're going to add our lovely Flavour-O-Rama seasoning. Next, we're going to add in some fresh herbs or dried herbs. Herbs can be a variety of choices. There can be thyme, rosemary, oregano, parsley. The choice of herbs are endless. Now just toss all the ingredients together in a big bowl. Now we're going to place the coated bread cubes on a baking sheet with parchment paper. You have to make sure to spread the bread cubes evenly on the baking sheet so that they cook evenly as well. And now we're going to bake these in the oven at 350 degrees for about 15 to 20 minutes or until golden brown. Halfway through the cooking process, you want to take them out of the oven and flip them. And that is it. We have lovely golden brown homemade croutons, and you can serve this with any soup or salad. Happy plate life and enjoy.